Record rise in Italy. COVID-19 death toll. Irish PM says stay home for 2 weeks, as it happened. The Irish government has announced sweeping restrictions that will put Ireland in a de facto lockdown to try to slow the spread of coronavirus. The Taoiseach, Leo Varadkar, said on Friday evening that people should stay at home for 2 weeks. Tests for healthcare workers in the UK will be rolled out next week, allowing them to confirm whether they have been infected or are safe to work, the British government has announced. Social distancing appears to be keeping the coronavirus at bay in British Columbia, a rare moment of positive news as cases around the world continue to surge. The daily rate of growth of coronavirus cases in the Canadian province has been cut from 24% to 12%, far lower than that of China and Italy during their severe outbreaks. Brazil's polemicist President Jair Bolsonaro has sparked further outrage by insinuating that the number of coronavirus cases is being inflated for political purposes and declaring, "Some people will die. I'm sorry. That's life." In the UK, the Principality Stadium in Wales is to be converted into a temporary hospital providing around 2,000 additional beds to support the NHS. After many delays, and then a series of tweets earlier today, US President Donald Trump is invoking the Defense Production Act to compel General Motors to build ventilators for hospitals, he announced at the White House's daily coronavirus briefing. The Defense Production Act gives the president powers to direct domestic industrial production to provide essential materials and goods needed in a national security crisis. It allows the president to require businesses and corporations to prioritize and accept contracts for required materials and services. While Trump likes to work cooperatively with the private sector, he said, "Where an emergency exists and it's very important that we get to the bottom line and quickly, we will do what we have to do." It's been a brutal pandemic, Trump said at the beginning of the briefing.